Hi, so how are you all today? Okay, this is Bhairavi Shah and I am a card reader, I am a numerologist. I do quite many good things which helps and contributes via my profession the other human beings to make their life better in varied manner. So there are workshops, there are seminars, there are WhatsApp courses, online courses, readings, that is card readings, consultations related to numerology as well. All those good things is what I usually love to do via my profession. It's fun and energizing, and I love to see my people grow, all my clients grow for better. And okay, so right now we are working with Lenormand learning with basic information. We have come to the card number, I guess it is, we did ring, right, last time? Let me check. We already completed the book, sorry. So we come to the card number 27, which is letter. Wow. So letter literally means letter. A piece of paper, documentation. It can mean card. It can literally mean even the card reading stuff that is card. It is a message which is not given in person. It's usually a message via SMS or WhatsApp or Messenger. That is, and maybe literally on paper. It can also mean prescription. Yeah. And letter as a quality can mean very shallow, something which is not deep, something which is very superficial. So if now you know why I said what I said, if you're following me about the heart, why I said what I said about that, there are surrounding cards which shows us what exactly it is. So superficial information, superficial relationship, superficial something which is for the sake of it. Sometimes it may mean that please do not make it like a final verdict, like there is no other information, no other point of view about it. Please do not come from that mindset. Be open-minded about it. It can also mean pamphlet. So these are the things that most likely a letter can mean when we are reading the cards and the letter comes up. Now how does it come up? Where does it stay? Where is it pulled? The first placement, the second, the third, or far away, or close by. That all can mean different things. So do the 1 or 2 card reading practice, and if you get a letter, write down your own, what your mindset says, and do share how did it work out for you. Keep a tag, keep a record of it. Okay, so this is what I have to give in regards to letter right now, especially in the basics. We would go to the next card. I'm so glad we have come to the 27th card now already. We'll go next further, and please do remember, I would love if you could share the love for all the things that I'm sharing here. It would be so lovely to be appreciated in many various manners that you can, in a form of sharing, in the form of liking, in the form of subscribing, in the form of commenting the wonderful things, in the form of any way where you can feel you think it's a wonderful help, it's a wonderful thing, I got it from her. Please do let people know as well. At the same time, if you want any consultation, if you want to enroll for any of the courses, you can check out the options from the links that I am going to share with you, or I have already shared with you. See you in the next card. Bye.